one. As I mentioned, guys, this is just a 30-minute tour. It goes pretty fast. We don't see as much wildlife as we do on our traditional 1-hour tour or our multiple-hour tours when you do a private tour. But guys, we'll try to squeeze as much as we can into it. Sit back and enjoy.
I think that friendly is broken off.
Down below. Now granted, I know these guys don't compare to your giant crocodiles. Guys, welcome to Everglade Holiday Park. Welcome to the Everglades, guys. We got 30 minutes to check out the Everglades, take a look around us, guys. Feel free to take as many pictures as you want, guys. If we see something really unusual, I'll point it out to you and try to spin the boat around, okay? I know that you're coming off an awesome 2-week cruise. Just sit back, relax, enjoy the cool breeze, guys. Let this be a good way to wrap things up before you guys have to head back to the airports. And by the way, guys, I want to wish everyone safe travels getting back home, okay?